Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix PayPal. We're having trouble making sure it's you 2026 guide. Step 1. Use a trusted device or browser. Try signing in from a device or browser you've used successfully before, as new devices can trigger extra security checks. Step 2. Clear the PayPal app data. Press and hold the PayPal app icon, open App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Storage, then Confirm. Reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 3. Reset your password. If you still can't sign in, open your browser, go to PayPal, tap Login, and select Forgot Password. Choose the security code option and follow the on-screen steps to create a new password. Then try logging in again. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue continues, reach out to PayPal customer support and explain the problem. They can help restore access to your account. Following these steps should resolve the "we're having trouble making sure it's you" error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.